Akiaria na andiki a mohoro hindi ya kumenyithia a Kenya haria mibango ya kuriha arigitani aria mari mugomo-ini kwa ihinda ria thiku 100 ikinyite, mwandiki mukaru wa kiama kia arigitani guku bururi-ini Ouma Oluga niugite ona thengia ya mutongoria wa bururi na minista wa ugima wa mwiri gwathana marigitari mariho gutire ikinya rikinyukitio. Ino ni miario ya mutongoria wa bururi iria aririe hindi ya kuha kampeni cia ithurano kaunti-ini ya Kiambu.
Wacha walipe hawa madaktari. Tunaelewana? Lakini mimi na hapa mbele ya Mwenyezi Mungu, mbele yenu hapa, ya kwamba wakigoma tena hata hiyo kazi hawatapata, tutawafuta immediately. Hiyo ni namna hiyo.
Oluga riu ni ahete thirikari ihinda ria thiku 14 kuhingia ciraniro cia ngirimiti ya CBA iria yamerire, kwaga uguo marigitari makorwo makiiga miro yao thi. Niongereire ati ciraniro imwe cibatie gukorwo ihingitio gugakinyaniria muthenya wa rucio, undu uria utari uratwika wa kuhinga.
The data that you were given when concerning pay showed very clearly that all the counties combined just have about 3,900 doctors. 3,900 doctors. And that is a decline because in the last 2 or 3 years we've lost about 2,000 doctors because of these challenges of devolution and HR problems. Just after the strike, we've lost about 10% of doctors who could not stand being in a system that is frustrating them.
This will be the last extension. And if by then we realize that there is still some chicanery from the side of government, then we'll consult our members and determine on the best way forward.
Danariganirwo na gukumithia thirikari hari rendekithia riayo ria kwenda kwandika mandagitari kuma bururi-ini wa Tanzania na Cuba, akiuga uguo ni kwagira gitio marigitari maria mathomeire urigitani guku bururi-ini na aria ona matari maheo wira ni thirikari.
Who needed our jobs and the money that would have been used to import doctors, let's first of all employ our own doctors. Today we have these doctors here, and at that time we said that these doctors were numbering 1,400, and it's actually indeed true that we have about 1,400 doctors in this country who are awaiting employment.
Haduni ha KMPDU mutaburoko wa mohoro, Zitagwo Zeri wa Kamonye.